Now, if they don't get the full fee, their hopes of winning Transporter of the Week will be dead in the water.
We need to get to the hard part we don't like talking about, is the money. So
we have it here for you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much indeed.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much indeed.
Raymond and Grant get paid in full. But what about the all-important customer feedback?
There's no problems at all with the Swan. I can't believe you've managed to bring it all this way without a hiccup at all. So we're going to rate you 5 out of 5.
Brilliant.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much indeed.
The full fee plus the side load sees Raymond and Grant take in £550. After expenses, they take home £428. But losing a star means they'll have 5 points taken away from their final score. Their profit per mile of £1.12 puts them in pole position for now. But the drivers won't know who has come out on top until all runs are complete.
We're up there this week, like, I mean, it's...
I think we've won it. I didn't think we're up there. I think
Well,
we're hard to beat.